Force Field Weather Barrier System is designed to help builders build faster and more efficiently. This integrated WRB sheathing system for walls and sloped roofs helps dry-in structures faster, cutting down trips around the job site compared to traditional building wrap systems. With engineered wood panels and advanced accessories, Force Field Weather Barrier System creates a smarter sheathing system that helps to achieve a continuous barrier that helps resist the effects of moisture and air on structural performance, replacing the need for a house wrap. Here's how you can properly install the Force Field Weather Barrier System on a wall. When installing the panels on the walls, the panels may be installed either vertically or horizontally to the framing, with the gray weather barrier side facing out. Spacing of 1/8 of an inch between the panels should be maintained at all edges and end joints. Fasten the panels according to project specifications and local build code requirements. General fastening guidelines for wood sheathing are to use a minimum 6D common nail spaced 6 inches on center along panel edges and 12 inches on center at intermediate supports. Use the plus signs on the panels as a reference to assist with proper fastener spacing. If pneumatic nail guns are used, be sure to set air pressure to drive nail heads flush with the panel surface. Overdriven fasteners can create a potential point of entry for moisture and air leakage. For best performance, immediate sealing of joints with Force Field Premium Tape is recommended. Prior to applying the tape, ensure the surface is free from moisture, frost, dust, dirt, and other bond-inhibiting materials. Center the Force Field Premium Tape or Force Field Seam Tape over the panel seam and apply firm hand pressure. A J-roller may be used to help eliminate wrinkles and air bubbles. Apply the tape in a shingle lap method so that it overlaps a minimum of 2 inches at splices and T-joints. Once Force Field panels are properly installed and taped, you are ready for the next step of your project. For more information on Force Field Weather Barrier System, including roofing installation, please visit buildgp.com/forcefield.